Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Krishna here, and today we're talking about the 30-day muscle gain challenge. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's no way I can gain muscle in just 30 days. But hear me out. It's true that you won't be able to transform your body into that of a Greek god in just a month. But if you're consistent with your workouts and diet, you can definitely see some noticeable gains in muscle mass and strength. So, if you're up for the challenge, here's what you need to do. Workout. For your workouts, you're going to focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. This will help you to maximize your gains in a short amount of time. Here's a sample workout routine that you can follow. Day 1. Chest and triceps. Bench press, 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Incline dumbbell press, 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Dumbbell flies, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Triceps pushdowns, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Overhead triceps extensions, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Day 2, back and biceps. Barbell rows, 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Pull-ups, 3 sets to failure. Seated cable rows, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Day 3 legs and shoulders. Squats, 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Leg press, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Hamstring curls, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15, 20 reps. Military press, 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Lateral raises, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps. Front raises, 3 sets of 10, 15 reps diet. In order to gain muscle, you need to eat more calories than you burn. So make sure to eat plenty of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Here's a sample meal plan that you can follow. Breakfast, oatmeal with berries and nuts, eggs with whole wheat toast. Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. Lunch, chicken breast with brown rice and vegetables. Salmon with quinoa and roasted vegetables. Lentil soup with a side salad. Dinner, steak with sweet potato and asparagus. Grilled fish with roasted vegetables. Tofu stir-fry with brown rice. Snacks, fruits and vegetables. Nuts and seeds. Hard-boiled eggs. Greek yogurt. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds like a lot of work. And it is, but it's worth it when you see the results. And trust me, you will see results. Even if you're just starting out, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can gain muscle and strength. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your 30-day muscle gain challenge today. Bonus tip: don't forget to get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for muscle growth and repair. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep per night. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, and don't forget to hit subscribe button and bell icon.